This is over here. Hi, my name is Nhyshadel, and this is Ashley, and our club name is Firework. So, now a few questions for you guys. Sit down for your lesson. Well, as you see, she's a little, and I'm taller. Anybody has questions, please log into this account right here. And we might sing songs, we might dance, we might have a couple of things. It's like a club. We might have people dancing with us. Doesn't matter. This is ordinary. Like people like Kesha, she puts songs up, we do some. Like, she's good, I'm good, we're all good. You got any questions? Ask her and ask me. You have anything to say? No. Well, if you want to use and how to spell them, please go to our channel, Nhyshadel, Ashley, Profile. Bye.